Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh, big wave! Big wave! Oh my God!
Manager.
Alright, boys. Time for the sauce.
Dude, just like, come over here. Look what you're doing. You act like you're a cook, bro. Come over here. What are you doing? Go over there.
Did you not?
Are we adding all of it? We're adding
I
two.
would recommend the 3. But yeah, it depends on the. It is a continuous fight between me and my wife. I want to add as much sauce as possible. She hates the sauce. So now it is my opportunity in the camp to add as much sauce as I want, and eat as much junk as I want, and eat as much French fries as I want. And I don't have my wife who say don't eat this and to keep me hungry.
Okay.
All the sauce, okay?
All the sauce. All the sauce, chef. All the sauce. What's happening? Yeah, I see him. I see him.
Keep this because we want to put the oil over here and refresh it.
Oh my God, Haytham. On the ground.
Looks like your wife is already preying on us.
It's like you've never done this at home before.
Why is it?
So we're giving you the training item and washing the dishes after.
One?
Listen,
You okay?
It's gonna fall. It's gonna fall. Look. If I do this, you see?
Perfect. See how that worked?
See, look, it will fall. I can't get them. Yeah.
Excuse me a little bit.
My chef is about to scold you.
I'm big. Do you want to eat tomorrow or not?
Alright, guys, the buffet is complete.
Oh wait, that's not it?
Okay, yep.
Abdurrahman has something to say this one. Yeah, bro.
What do you gotta say?
We cook better than the girls, and everybody agrees, right?
Not me.
We agree. He agrees. Do you agree?
Of course, this
You
food
agree?
is uncomparable.
Oh wait, he got sisters too.
You agree?
Bet.
Everybody agrees. Chef, do you agree?
May Allah save you from the girls cooking. I mean, now we're away from them. Please do not remind us of the girls cooking today. What are you gonna bring those hard memories back to us?
The tuna sandwiches.
Okay. After an hour of waiting,
6 cheers.
all our food. 15 burgers. 15 burgers, boys. Extra large Coke. Okay. Unboxing reveal. Unboxing reveal.
Okay, what is this? Maybe they need to do it better.
Oh. Oh, that's just.
Yalla, first bite. Record the first bite.
Yeah.
Record the first bite.
Alright, Sheikh, go ahead. Bismillah.
As good as the girl is cooking.
Subhanallah, subhanallah.
As good as the tuna.
Okay. That's good? Okay, we got more burgers over here. More burgers over here, burger.
Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me.
Wanna talk to you? Are you useless?
I'm right now.
Useless and fat. Useless and fat.
So, first bite ever? Never been to In-N-Out?
It's like McDonald's.
Like McDonald's? We waited for 1 hour line for McDonald's. Okay, honest. On a scale of 1 to 10, not bad.
Like Dick's
I'll say it's better.
This is your first bite. This is your first In-N-Out. Let's see your experience. Go ahead. Is it yours too? And then, oh yeah, you too. Safe. How is it? How is it?
It's a good burger, huh?
Better than Chick-fil-A?
Okay.
What about you?
Okay. I don't know about this better than Chick-fil-A.
Just stop. Just stop. How is it? How is it?
It's like Dick's Burgers, dude.
Dick's Burger?
Yeah.
Way better, right?
No.
Way better.
Yeah, it is.
Okay. No, just stop.